Hello everyone. Did you know that Streamlabs sometimes offers free Discord Nitro perks? Today, I will walk you through how to redeem this exclusive offer step by step. So now let's dive in. First, ensure you have Streamlabs account. If you don't already have one, head over to streamlabs.com and sign up. And once you're logged in, verify your email address under the account settings section to access perks. Now, Streamlabs occasionally runs in Nitro promotion for users. Navigate to the dashboard and look for a banner or notification about the Discord Nitro offer. If you see it, click on it to start the redemption process. If the offer isn't visible, it may not be available at the moment. Now, to claim the Nitro offer, link your Discord account to Streamlabs. To do this, go to Settings, then Integrations in your Streamlabs dashboard and select Discord. Follow the prompts to connect your account securely. Once your accounts are linked, Streamlabs will provide a Nitro code or direct you to claim it through Discord. Copy the code and open Discord on your browser or app. In your browser or application, navigate to Settings, then go to Gift Inventory and paste your code to activate the Nitro subscription. Congratulations, your Nitro subscription is now active. Enjoy premium perks like animated emojis, boosted servers, and more. Remember, some promotions have limited durations, so keep an eye on your expiration date. And that is how you redeem free Discord Nitro from Streamlabs. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.